These days, we're seeing more and more vehicles fitted with run-flat and low-profile tyres. This may present a challenge for any technician that's unfamiliar with the replacement process. Hi, I'm Clint with Automate Training. Do you know the correct way to dismount a run-flat? Did you know that there might be tyre pressure sensors fitted to the rim and special care is required when dismounting? Find out the correct way to replace run-flat and low-profile tyres in our next training module. Here's a small teaser of what you'll learn. Before starting any tyre change, take the time to inspect all protective covers fitted to the machine. Replace any damaged or broken protectors. These are here to prevent damage to expensive rims and tyres. We should always adjust the blade depth or stroke before breaking the bead on any wheel, and this is especially important on run-flat designs. The optimal depth will change according to rim size, but the blade should stop as soon as the bead has rolled over the bead lock and dropped into the well. Position the tyre and spade as normal, avoiding the area around the valve and tyre pressure sensor. To find out more and access the most advanced technical training available, visit our website and unlock your automotive potential today.